Got me falling right back.
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and as you can see, the set is once again devoid of my elder sister Reyna. And you may be asking, why? Well, let me tell you, I'm the most capable one, and everyone knows I'm smarter than her. I mean, I was a baby when I started singing a song instead of crying. It is such a melodious song, you know? Why did I sing it for you? There's hydrogen and helium, then lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon everywhere, nitrogen all through the air with oxygen so you can breathe and fly, fire pretty, neon to light up the sun, sodium for salty times, magnesium, aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, and sulfur, chlorine, and argon, potassium and calcium so you go strong, magnesium, titanium, vanadium, and chromium, and manganese. This is the periodic table. No gas is stable. Halogens and alkali react aggressively. Each period will see new outer shells where electrons are moving to the right. Iron is the 26 and cobalt nickel coins will get copper, zinc, and gallium, germanium, and arsenic. Wait. Why am I singing this? This isn't even the topic for today's video. Hello everyone, welcome back to the actual topic, which is public speaking part 2, which is the continuation of the last video, which is public speaking tips for beginners. I hope you all enjoyed the last video, and today I'm going to speak on a topic I got a few years back from school during a competition. It is, drum roll please. Drum roll please. How I make my parents go crazy. Disclaimer, do not try any of these tricks or stunts at home. These tricks and stunts were pulled by trained professionals who have been beaten many times. I mean, if you want to, I'm not stopping you. But if any collateral damage is incurred, I will not be the one who's held responsible. How I make my parents go crazy? That's a good question. There are hundreds of ways to make my parents go crazy, but why don't we just take one of them for an instance? You see, I was walking home from school, like usual, kicking the sand, but I was wondering, where were all the puddles? You see, it was raining at that time, and you could clearly see why I was surprised where there wasn't a single one in sight. I was about to give up on looking, but that's when I saw it through the corner of my eye. It was a huge, mesmerizing, shimmering, chocolatey colored puddle. I looked around. The coast is clear. It seems like the gods have answered my prayers, I said to myself. I walked up to the puddle like a soldier. Left, right, left. Left, right, left. I stood in front of it and I braced myself for the jump and I gave myself a countdown. 3, 2, 1 and splash! I opened my eyes and to my disappointment, there wasn't a single drop on me. I decided to jump again and this time it went into my mouth. Ugh! It doesn't taste as good as you might think it does. But still, it wasn't on me. So, third time's a charm, and I jumped again. And this time, to my delight, I was covered in mud. My shoes looked like they were coated in mouth-watering chocolate. This time, I was satisfied with the outcome. So, I decided to continue on my journey home. I was walking up the stairs to my house and I could see my footprints trailing behind me like a tail. I walked in, not really caring if I was still wearing my shoes. I left mud everywhere. I jumped onto the couch, sat there for some time and let mud get on that too. I took off my shoes and I went into my bedroom. And just when I tossed my backpack onto my bed, That's when I heard it. The click of the front door. I was terrified. My mom was home. I peeped out through the keyhole and I could see her standing in utter shock. I looked away, but instead of hearing yells, I heard a loud shriek and then a thud. I peeped out of the door and I saw my mother lying on the floor. It seems as if she has fainted. I guess she couldn't take on the power of the almighty mud gods. Well, that's all I have for today. So till we meet again, goodbye and good day. I'm putting on a cute face because I really don't know what to say right now. But I would really appreciate it if you subscribe to me and my sister's channel. Wait, cross that out. My channel. You can also like and comment down below if you have any suggestions. We read through these comments every day and we would really appreciate that. So, I guess that's all. Bye!